Okay, fellas, what's going on? What's going on, everyone? Yo, shout out to all the people in the live stream, in the chat. What's going on? Happy Bitcoin Pump Day. Holy crap, guys. I know you're feeling excited because we almost hit all-time highs literally today. Like before the market close. It's insane, guys. This is just super bullish. I mean, we have been absolutely crushing the charts. We have been taking profits aggressively as well, reminding ourselves that when the market is up like this, you gotta take some profits. But here's the thing, guys. Look at this. First of all, I want you to smash the like button and let me know in the chat if you think Bitcoin is going to blast through the 64,000 resistance that we hit just today. This is the Coinbase chart. So in the news, if you didn't know, Coinbase went down, and it's not the first time. It's happened a few times. I remember it happened when Voyager was going down, when VGX was pumping, the market was pumping. When the market pumps, exchanges a lot of the times cannot handle that volume, cannot handle the volatility. And especially because Coinbase is also the custodian for a lot of that BTC. So maybe just in general, they were just having a hard time keeping up with all of the things that they have to do. But here's the thing, guys. This is the 1 hour chart. And look at this candle. We retraced to 58, but we quickly recovered right back into this range. So this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Turn the music down just a little bit. Let me know, guys, in the chat if you have been making money and what you've been trading. So if you look at the thumbnail, the obvious trade is SHIB. So we got into a SHIB trade because if you look at the chart, if you look at SHIB, the thing has just been, it hasn't really moved. It hasn't really moved. If you look at the monthly, this was SHIB's all-time high. And Pepe just did this. Pepe literally just did this candle move. If we look at Pepe, on the weekly, look at this candle. And you compare it to this chart, you see that these two green candles was when we had the bullish, basically that bullish launch of SHIB, when SHIB was at its all-time highs. This is when Pepe was at its all-time highs, and we just got very close back to it going into potential price discovery for Pepe. So what does that mean for SHIB and also for Doge? So Doge, if you look at Doge on the daily, has been one of those coins that's been up 18%. Pepe along with it, 20%. Pepe, 180%. And then where's SHIB? Where's SHIB in here? That's the thing. This is why I believe that Shiba Inu, and Da Vinci would agree with me as well, that with SHIB, you have a burning mechanism with SHIB. They're burning SHIB constantly, and they have Shibarium. They have an ecosystem. They have that Ethereum layer 2. And so I believe that SHIB is going, I mean, look at this chart. Look at this chart. Completely has been oversold. Hasn't even hit into the green of ever being overbought. And we're strong in the RSI, and we've crossed the averages. So we're due for one of these green candle pumps, which would give us a move of 200% potential, especially with this candle right here. Because basically in November 2021, this is the price points that we're sitting at right now in Bitcoin. This is where we're at in terms of Bitcoin. So basically the trajectory right now that we're sitting with Bitcoin is to we're I think overnight again we're going to get surprised and be in the 67,000 range. and possibly maybe even just trading a little sideways in $67,000 and then going into the all-time high. Because this, look at these candles. I mean, it's just like there was only just one red candle here, one red candle close on the weekly. And then if you go into the 4-hour, it was just a quick, liquidity grab, quick dump. Shorts getting faked out. Shorts getting completely probably faked out and liquidated right here to think that the market was going to really do a downturn, and it really did not turn that much. You can see here, this candle only went down as low as 58, and then we quickly recovered right back up. So it's interesting. That's why I think I'm super bullish. And if you go into if we go into the news, we go to what Richard Hart said. I really agree with Richard Hart. The Bitcoin bears are wrecked beyond all belief. It doesn't mean there's not dips in the game. I bet there still is. Bear hopes. Market dumps from Mt. Gox. Silk Road. We got resistance at previous top, 69,000. Funding rates. Issues. The issues for the bears, though, is the ETFs have done such serious volume and appear to be on ramping fresh new Wall Street money high off their all-time highs in S&P 500. So basically, in my opinion, unless the ETF stop buying, it's very bullish. Then you've got the news that will hit the airwaves when BTC hits the new all-time highs. It already hit new all-time highs in many countries with currencies, not the dollar. Yo, what's going on, Ross Davey? Shout out to Ross Davey. What is going on, my dude? How are the trades? How are the altcoins? So what I've been doing is taking my profits and just starting to get more into my altcoins, because that's what's going to go next is the altcoins. And that is also why I went into a SHIB trade, willing to use some of the profits that I made, taking profits on my trades, because I've just been going through, and while the market's been pumping like this, taking off about 25% here, 25% there. And basically, I mean, of the past like 2 days, I've made like really nice profits. So I'm glad to have exposure in the market. You know, when you got exposure in the market, feels good. And I know the feeling when things are pumping and you don't have as much in there. So I feel like finally this time I don't have that feeling of like, oh, regret. I wish I would have, bought more. It's like, of course, you could always say you can buy more, but I'm just grateful and happy that I even am in the market at all. And I think that's a good attitude to have. So shout out to you guys for being in the market with me. And how many viewers we got? We got 5 concurrent viewers, and we have 2 likes. So we definitely got to get more likes. I have to encourage you guys to absolutely smash the like button, because what it does is it tells YouTube that my channel and my content is worth watching. So do me a favor and hit the like button. If you're watching on the TV, you have to hit the button on your remote 2 times, up 1, 2, and then over 2 times again, and then you'll get to the like button. There's no excuse. If you're on the TV, you can still hit the like button. So what's amazing is that we have Jasmine actually has been doing really well. Jasmine, I think, because it hit a lot of exchanges on perps. I think it went on MEXC. I saw it went on. Did it go on Binance? Yeah, I think there was a couple exchanges that it got listed on, and I noticed that the volume started picking up. So a little more action going into Jasmine, and then we have a lot of the AI coins popping off. Let's see with the top 200. Let's see. Okay, let's see what the top 300. Is that synthetics or is that something different? Oh no, Synapse 2%. Okay, Radium 1%. All right, but let's look at hello, good afternoon from Mexico. What's going on? Shout out to Mexico. Vicious Teletubby. I like that name. Nice. Shout out to Vicious Teletubby. And thank you. That's the thing with trading. You have to be prepared to lose it all. But if you are practicing good risk management. And I'll tell you guys just some word of advice. You know, I was being a dumb trader last year in the first quarter, kind of, you know, August, September. And then what I ended up doing is saying, okay, Daniel, just can you stop real quick, stop losing money, and really give yourself more than just give yourself at least 2-3 different confirmations of why you would get into the trade to begin with, you know? And so that really helped me out in just setting the expectation of what's your plan? Why am I getting into the trade? What am I seeing? Am I setting a stop loss? You know, what's the plan? You know, so that's helped me to at least get my account where, you know, I started this account originally with a $25 BTC trade and a $25 ETH trade. And in that's helped me to, with those profits that I made in those trades, in the amounts, and I had a Solana trade open, I've had Doge trade, I've had multiple different altcoin trades open, but it all started with just those original 2 trades. And it got my account up into the value of almost to $5,000 now. So, and that's not even including the realized P&L that I have overall, where I've taken profits and like sent it out and DCA'd. And let's see, let me check the chat. Let me check the chat real quick, because you guys have been putting the chat up. I feel like I need to switch. I might have to keep the chat on like a, let's see. Have a look at Engine, Pal, Jasmine, and then Tonely. Who you friends with? Jump on with BitBoy, then set up a karate match. Yeah. Me and BitBoy have had actually, funny enough, we have had a personal interaction, and it didn't go very well. I mean, he just seemed like he was just like jet lagged and just wasn't in the mood, and you know, it's a shame, but it is what it is, you know. And really, it's funny because I came into the Hit Network originally just wanting to do some content, just try and get my name out there, and I was actually went on Kelly Kellum's Bit Academy, was, you know, just kind of testing out, just getting the courage to just be like, hey, on the spot, I'm gonna go on and talk about crypto, you know. It's like, this is what you have to do. And so I was just putting my neck out there, but I was going into a hornet's nest, as you guys could see, because literally couple weeks, like, or not even, like, maybe literally 2 weeks later, all the drama starts happening with the you know, what you guys very well know as the biggest crypto drama besides SBF. You know, obviously that's the biggest one. But all right, guys, so let's look at Bitcoin right now and let's see what's happening on the 15-minute. Love to see what's happening on the 15-minute, because we have volume. People are taking profits, but the thing is that a lot of this rally, I personally believe, is institutional rallies, OTC stuff. Like, this isn't even retail buying. Like, people, I just feel like, it was funny when I was driving around today, I just felt like I wanted to scream out the window, Bitcoin is over 60K. No one cares. No one cares. It's like people are just going about their day. They don't even realize that Michael Saylor is billions of dollars in profit. They just don't even realize it. They're you know, while all the while I'm like, can't focus on anything else but looking at these bullish charts and looking at the movements. It's just insane. It's insane, guys. So I want to know, have you guys done your taxes? Did you get your tax return? And what have you done with your tax return? Did you immediately buy some crypto? Did you pay off some debt? You know, what did you guys do with your tax return? Did you get money? Did you even get a tax return? Did you have to return money to the IRS? Which direction were you? Yeah. Oh, and well, the thing is that Bitcoin has been on the news. It's been on mainstream news, and they talk about it actually now all the time. But the difference now is that they're not making fun of it. They're actually like, actually, we've changing our minds now. You know, people that were super bearish are starting to become bullish. Besides Capo. Capo is still. Let's check out Capo. Let's see what his latest post said. I've taken profits on all altcoin positions. I'm totally out of the market now. And this was February. This was the 23rd, 24th. This is what he thought it was going to do. This is the altcoin market cap. What's going on? Shout out to LMP. What's going on, Ellen? Yo, did you ever get your Discord figured out? Because you were posting some links in there, and so you just got to make sure that you do not break the Discord rule of posting links. I think I sent you a message, but yeah. Hopefully you got all that sorted out. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with Capo, but I don't know why he can't just be middle ground, you know. He has to have keep the persona, I guess. But it's funny that people like this have so many followers and people like me who give actually decent calls and have been actually pretty spread across the market. My ass should have 813,000 followers because those people would be massively rich. You know, because, man, those people, they probably have a little more money than I do. They could put a little bit more margin, you know. I'm playing with what I got, you know. You got to start somewhere. But, man, people would be like, thanks for making me a millionaire. I'd be like, no problem. Just send me, I'll send you my ETH address. I'll send you my ETH address. Hope you guys are doing well. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for being in the live stream. We have over a million people watching the stream right now. All right, so let's see. Okay, so LMP said she was hacked. That's not me posting anything. I wrote detailed note in Discord. These are trying to get me banned. Okay. Yeah, interesting. I know you said you were actually part of Julian Assange group, kind of advocating for Julian Assange, which I think is super dope. I remember when all of that was breaking, and I was thinking how when someone puts their neck out like that, you know, that's a true freedom fighter, because people like that get killed. People, you know, when you spread the truth and, you know, and you're putting your neck out like that, it's a big deal, and it's a huge sacrifice. So it's pretty crazy. And that's for anything when it comes to the truth. But check this out, guys. So we're gonna keep true to the thumbnail and talk about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. All right, LMP said, yeah, it's called the Unity 4J, and I've been supporting Assange for years. Yeah, shout out to Julian Assange for WikiLeaks and all the people involved with that. All right, so what's interesting is that Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, we got a lot of traction in South Korea, Taiwan, Denmark, Poland, Czechia, and Sweden, Norway, Hong Kong. That's the thing, is that the Asian markets, they love the dog coins. They love Pepe. And we actually, in Canada, we got more traction of Shiba, or actually Dogecoin interest in Shiba Inu. But across the board, I mean, Dogecoin obviously still being the top dog coin. Let's see, gotta turn down my music a little bit. Say, push to get back on the Moon Show, Dano. Carl will get you subs. That's how I came here. Yeah, Ross Davey. Hey, send Carl a message. You gotta advocate for me as well. You know, yeah, just they're doing their thing, and if they would like for me to come on, then I would love to go on the Moon Show. Yeah. But let's see. I would love to look at our portfolio. Love to look at the portfolio. And let's look and see how it's doing since we've been pumping substantially. Okay, nice. Yeah, we're up. We're almost, this portfolio that was in the was 3,000. Let's see, past 30 days. Yeah, nice. Okay, so the past 90 days, where did we start it? We started it right here at $3,000, and we are almost at $5,000 with this portfolio. So it just shows in just the past 30 days where we started this. Oh, and yeah, adding Jasmine, Link, CAS, ICP. Yeah, those are coins that obviously, yeah, obviously Chainlink. I got Chainlink in the bag. Chainlink, Pepe. These are the projects that I personally, in my own portfolio, that I like to DCA into and that I love to use, swap, whatever. And there's some projects in here that are my hopefuls that I want to eventually get into as well. And this is also a good starter mixed bag of projects that are not necessarily new. Some of them are new, some of them are old, some of them are from previous bull markets, but also they still have good massive potential because they've just been building. So like Polygon, Phantom, Optimism is new, but you got Solana, Dogecoin, the old players, but then you got some new stuff like STG, Medieval Empires. You have Stacks, XYOs from the previous bull market, but the thing about XYO, guys, like I couldn't help myself because look, here's the thing. XYO, look at this chart. You guys gotta look at this chart. You'd be super, super bullish on this chart. LMP, you're asking anything super high risk. Let's see. Well, first of all, let's get the likes up. We got to get the likes up. We only got 4 likes, so let's do some housekeeping and get the likes going. All right, so Vicious Teletubby. I'm betting on Myro. Got it on 3 cents. Took some profits when it went up to 25 cents. Yeah, I was checking out Myro too. There's a channel, buddy mine, On The Go Crypto. He's really promoted Myro a lot. He was posting a bunch of videos, and was thinking about getting into it myself, but I just want to, a lot of the times I just want to keep it simple because you start jumping around a little too much because things, yeah, you got to follow, you do have to follow the narratives, but then at the same time, you know, you have your certain niches, and if you start filling your head with too many things, it really is sometimes hard to keep track of, especially if it's not your full-time job and you got other things and in your brain that you have to have space for. You got space for your family, you got space for your job, you got space for, you know, your own personal time. I mean, there's like, where are you going to fit that in? So you kind of have to give yourself a little bit of credit. And well, here's the thing, man, on the daily, this thing is looking like it's forming almost like a cup and handle pattern, which is really, really juicy and could be pushing up to retest this level right here. We break that, then we could be pushing up and to test into some new levels for XYO. Ross Davey saying Jasmine has been a 3 to 4x since last month. Small money and 200 pounds into 660. Nice. Yeah, Jasmine is something also that I've known about for a while. Like when I was seeing that on Voyager, I was seeing Jasmine, and I was thinking about trading into some Jasmine, but never did it. Never pulled the trigger. But the thing that I want to continue talking about XYO is because I want you guys to look at this chart. This chart. Look at that. This chart is it's very similar to the SHIB chart. It's very identical. It's got a very similar look. And so these are the things that I'm wanting to trade in, because these are the things that I feel like are going to have a very nice breakout. As you can see here, I'm trying to really catch a similar trade breakout like I did with like I just did with Pepe and Doge, because I think SHIB is going to be that next breakout. We were just 25% in profit. We could have just taken just that 25% right there, but we were watching the trade. But that's where you could take profits, to be able to at least secure right in, because we can see order history right here. Enough bullish candle movement to be able to take a little bit of profit, but we got some movement up to the upside. We'll see what happens. But we might be losing a little bit of the volume. But I still have hope. But yeah, we're overall super bullish on the market, super bullish on the trades. Realized a lot of profits yesterday and today. DCA'd into some XYO, DCA'd into some NAKA games. This is also looking like it's in a cup and handle pattern. AJ Writes Crypto, he was also given a good example of a lot of coins right now that are in a cup and handle pattern. So if we go, shout out to AJ Writes Crypto, and curious to see what coins he talks about. I wonder if he has XYO on here. He doesn't have the, he's gonna like the view. Let's see. Yeah, he just has the charts. He doesn't have the name of the coin on there. Nice, I like that, because then he makes you watch it. Yeah, go check that out. I need to go watch back. Check exactly, because he said there's 40 different coins that are in a cup and handle pattern that could be breaking out bullish. All right, so what I would like to do is put $100 into Pulse Chain right now. And I want to know the easiest way that I can do it with USDT. Just sending in USDT. That's how I have to do it. Or I can just bridge, but I don't want to pay any gas fees. Don't want to pay gas fees. So if you're a Pulse Chain fan, what's the easiest way that I can get USDT into Pulse Chain? Let me know. All right, we got 8 concurrent viewers. We got 7 likes. We need to completely obliterate the like button. And guys, I want to remind you that if you become a member, you get this fancy Pepe badge right here. You get a really nice, really fancy Pepe badge right next to your name. And then you can post these emojis. And then obviously they'll get better. But I wish my chat would actually show the emojis. They are not showing the emojis for some reason. It does just like the script tag for them. All right, so we've been DCAing pretty hard into Chainlink, into Polygon, but then we end up using the Polygon to swap into other stuff. So the Polygons kind of went down a little low. We don't have as much Polygon as we'd like to. NAKA games, We have a little bit of Altura. We got some Mines of Delarnia. We have BTC. We have XYO. So that's kind of, I'm just keeping the bag pretty simple. Keeping it simple. Nothing crazy. All right, let's see what's going on with... Love to see what's going on with the Ordinals. Ordinals wallet right now. See what my balance is. Let's go to my wallet. Nice. All right. Oh, nice. Okay. So I was talking about the bitmap. So I bought this piece of bitmap for like $10, $15 in Bitcoin, and now the floor is worth 242. So I think if you bought a couple pieces of these bitmaps, and then once Bitcoin really starts to fly, these pieces of the bitmap are going to start, I think they're going to start going off. So then start acquiring more BTC in the Ordinals wallet. And this is a great wallet, by the way. If you guys haven't used the Ordinals wallet, it's really cool because you can inscribe inside this wallet. You can, it has, I think, you can do Doge. I haven't checked out Bells. I don't know what the Bells is. They have the Ordinals market. So you can see what different collections are doing good. Excuse me, guys. The pollen recently has been insane. It's been wild. I don't know where you guys live, but the if you have allergies. But it's been insane. Spring is coming. Spring is coming, baby. But yeah, look at this. I love that. I think one of these sold for 0.1 Bitcoin. Is that what it sold for? The Bitcoin pigeon? Yeah, there's just one. Yeah. Yeah, these are interesting. I don't know if you guys have checked out the collection. This is what eventually the phase 2 of the ordinal eyes is to eventually get them on the ordinals market to be able to be inscribed on the Bitcoin blockchain, because that's the whole mission, is to get them inscribed on the Bitcoin blockchain. So if you haven't checked out ordinal eyes, I just did it on OpenSea. I could have launched it on a lot of different platforms, but I know OpenSea's gotten a lot of flack. But for me, it was just kind of what I know right now, and so that's what I chose to do. So hopefully it doesn't bite me in the butt later, but hopefully we get some traction on this and we can start moving towards getting on the ordinals market. That's the whole goal. But yeah, if you guys have some time, check these out. They're fun. Check out the rarities. There's some really cool rarities, like for instance the gemstone rarity. This one's one of a kind. This one's got a lot going on. And you got the gemstone ore in there. Duality. All right. So let's look at what Bitcoin's doing currently right now. CME futures, 63,000. Okay. All right. That's interesting. And then let's look at 62. Okay. And see, the RSI looks decent. If we're looking at what we're going to do in the immediate short term, we could be pushing to try and retest that again. I just feel like we might just actually really just trade a little bit sideways up into Friday and start looking into getting up into all-time highs. There is a major, obviously, like Richard Hart said, you know, there is major, you know, rejection resistance point at the obvious 69,000 right here, that mega top of the band. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. What do you guys think about that? And while you're thinking about that, I'm gonna get some adjustments here. Shout out to you guys for being in the chat. Shout out to you guys for being in the live stream. And get the likes going. Just need to make a couple of adjustments real quick. Oh, we're man, you're just getting a rainstorm. You're getting snow. Guys, send LMP some good vibes. She's just getting hit with the snow, hit with the rain. Everyone, send LMP some love. Man. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to use a different chat overlay. Let's see. There it is. Oh, 8-bit comic. What's up, Crypto 420? What's going on? All right, let me see if this worked. Okay. I was trying to get kind of liked that chat a little bit better. All right. If you guys are not in the Discord, you can come in and hang out in the chat section. Sometimes the legendary Jason Casper will reveal himself in the Discord, and he'll randomly pop in the stream. So watch out for the wild Jason Casper. Tezo pumping. All right, let's check Tezo right now. Let's check it out. Let's go Tezo. We got a little bit of a Tezos pump. So Tezos is kind of like that old school coin. They are involved with NFTs. So yeah, we're having a little bit of a pump. Yeah, okay, let's see on the 1 hour. Oh yeah, we got some volume. 6% is Tezos trading on, let's see. No, it's not trading on there. Let's see where so where is Tezo? Is this the right one? Is that what you're talking about? Tezos or Tezo? Yeah, it looks like this is what you're talking about because it definitely just had a nice little pump. Yeah. What's going on? Shout out to Wile E. Coyote. Shout out to everyone who is in the live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Like to pin some comments. We got Tezos. XTZ. Yep, XTZ. Yep, okay, so yeah, we got it. Okay. Yeah, it's so the thing, I mean, look, it's just kind of been, look at the sideways trading that it's been doing just for, you know, and then if we look at the 4 hour, yeah, it's just kind of been, you know, you really don't hear too much about Tezos. So what's happening with Tezos? Is there something happening with Tezos, or is it just catching up with the rest of the market? The bullish Tezos news. Red Bull Racing forges new alliance with Tezos blockchain. Oh, okay. In a notable development for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, Red Bull Racing has announced a partnership with Tezos blockchain. This collaboration aims to enhance fan engagement. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. God bless everyone. Thank you for being in the stream. Thank you guys so much for the support, and thank you guys for the likes and all of the YouTube algo sauce. Yeah, so let's read this. Let's check out this article. Yeah, so racing in the digital realm. As part of the partnership, Red Bull Racing will leverage Tezos to create unique non-fungible tokens that offers, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, Tezos kind of old school NFT. You can use Tezos to, you know, buy NFTs. These digital collectibles will serve as a groundbreaking avenue for fan participation, offering exclusive content experiences. So people think NFTs are dead, but what they don't understand is that the NFT market is going to basically, it's going to revolutionize how we do signing and contracts, even, and also with ticketing, you know, custom tickets. All right, Ross Davey, thanks for coming in. Ross Davey was the, I think he was one of the first ones in. So bedtime in Scotland. So bye-bye. Good night to you, Mr. Ross Davey. Thanks for coming in. All right, so yeah, I think there's going to be interesting things with NFTs, like contracts with houses, real estate. You know, there's going to be a lot of things that NFTs are going to serve a purpose for verification of your actual physical goods and have a digital representation of it. And that is on the blockchain. It's stored, all those things. Okay, there we go. So I think those emojis worked. Awesome. All right, cool. I was noticing, I was like, I want to make sure that these emojis will actually come through. Let's see if that one will work. I want to see that cute Pepe face. It still won't work. But yeah, if you guys look at the chat, check out that sneaky frog. Let's get this stream out to the world. Bitcoin is pumping, the markets are pumping. All right, let's see what is trending. I don't know why I'm so tired of hearing about Puff Daddy and Diddy. Like, these just like, it's so annoying. I can't stand ego-centric, weird, nasty, disgusting, like, people like that. I used to listen to Diddy and all when I was a kid in the 90s, and then you start hearing about all the stories, and then you're like, okay, can't do it. All All right, yeah, what's trending? Coinbase is trending. Trump is broke. I don't know why that's trending. Trump is broke. Dogecoin, obviously trending in the United States. Capo trending. I don't know why Capo is trending. I think Dano Crypto should be trending. All right, so guys, do me a favor. Go on x.com and start doing hashtag Dano Crypto, and then just something, I don't know. You can make anything up. No, don't make anything up. All right, so we got alt season coming up. So oh, look, we got SHIB. Here you go. I'm telling you, SHIB is gonna surprise everyone. You saw? Oh, really? And was he nice? Was he nice? Was he cordial? Was he kosher? All right, so the SHIB army. The thing with SHIB is that it hasn't. It's the only coin. It's the only like legit meme coin that hasn't seen the moves that everything else has been doing in the markets. So I mean, if you look at Tether, you look at the Tether chart, Binance. This thing is due for an explosion, and the comparison that I was making was on the weekly chart compared to Pepe. And you look at this chart, you look at this candle, and you see the exact same thing that just happened with Pepe. Same thing just happened with Pepe. Yeah, he's short. He's short in a lot of things. So if we look at the Pepe chart, we want to look at the Pepe chart. Let's just go to the trade. And we look at the weekly. And look at this candle. So we'd had that similar chart. We had a little bit more bullish movements with Pepe in these time frames right here. So December 4th, and then if you go into the SHIB chart and you go to December 4th, December, you know, it's actually kind of similar. It's very similar. And then you go back to the Pepe chart. Look at this green candle. Look at that. Look at that green candle. Trying to test those all-time highs. So close. So damn close. So I'm thinking SHIB is due. It's due. It's due for another green candle move like that. Look at this candle. This candle was a 200% candle. And we're only at 18% here. And if we look at the overall bullish movement with the most popular meme coins, which is Pepe and Dogecoin, I mean, we are going to, woo! Oh my God, SHIB is gonna absolutely explode. Yeah, I hope it goes to $1 too. If Pepe goes to $1, let's see how rich I would be. Let's add a take profit at $1. If Pepe went to $1, then this trade, I would be $99 million in profit. I don't even know, would this exchange be able to even cash me out? They'd be able to cash me. They'd be like, cash me outside, motherfucker. We ain't giving you $90 million. That would be amazing though. Woo! That would be fantastic. I would love that. I mean, gosh, but even just Pepe going to even to like crank off a couple zeros. I mean, if it went to just like close to 0.001, that's a clean $100,000 right there. But that's not off the table. Not off the table. Not off the table. I gotta figure out how to get my chat to actually show the emojis. I want this chat to actually show the emojis. We gotta fix this. And I think I want to switch this. I'm gonna do some more experimenting. Cause I want to see the chat more. I want to interact with you guys a little bit more. And I don't necessarily have to use the streaming service that I'm using. I'm just testing it because it's free. I need more money to go into the market. Need more money to go into the markets, guys. All right, so let's see how our SHIB trade is doing. Well, we were 25% in profit on our SHIB trade, and we were too busy yapping our trap to not take profit. So, but I still think that even with keeping this open, we might see another run. And like I said, I really do believe that SHIB is going to. I mean, the supply's burning. I mean, it's trending. LMP, you're saying, where do I have my ETFs? Not sure what you're asking. Where do I have my ETFs? I do have Bitcoin going to the moon. We do have Bitcoin going to the moon. Oh, yeah, they're on OpenSea. Go search them. Ordinal Eyes. It is the only collection that is named Ordinal Eyes. There's not a single collection that has this type of art, this type of theme. And honestly, I'm super bullish on Ordinal Eyes and what this project could end up becoming when we get the funding to be able to go into phase 2, which is getting them inscribed on the Bitcoin blockchain. And then once we get them inscribed on the Bitcoin blockchain, we are going to either set up a Polygon token, or we're going to set up a BRC20 token called Eyes. And the ticker is going to be Eyes. And they're honestly really cool. They're one of a kind. There's really cool rarities that you can search, and you got ultra rare. This one is one of my favorites. It's the plasma crack. You got that plasma crack Bitcoin. Kind of reminds me of the Bitcoin halvening. And then we have the teardrop. I love the teardrop. And yeah, the teardrop reminds me of Tool. Almost like a Tool art. Let me know, guys, if you are fans of Tool. Shout out to anyone in the chat, in the live stream, that listens to Tool. I get huge inspiration from Tool. I love Danny Carey. I think he's one of the best drummers in the world. But yeah, this collection's cool. Shameless self-promotion, but you know, you got to start somewhere. But what's cool about this collection, it's easily mintable. You don't have to pay a lot of gas. Yeah, Tool's the shit. Tool's the shit. I have been absolutely obsessed with the song Jimmy. I've been like, Jimmy, just like something speaks to me with Jimmy. Like, that song is so underrated. That is probably one of their best songs. Like, I know they have so many good songs, but Jimmy on Enema is just top notch. I've been drumming it a lot, and it really, like, Man, I love that song. Let me know if you guys also like the song Jimmy. And really go listen to it. Like, put the headphones on and just vibe out. This one reminds me of a Dolly painting and how Dolly did his shading on his eggs. And you got the little secret eyes. All the little secret eyes going through. All right, so let's see what's happening. Let's see. Is Shib going to do the unstoppable? I mean, the weekly chart looks so good. Oh, yeah, you got to listen to it. It's good. It's on Enema. It's on the one where it has, like, Stinkfist and all those great songs. Hooker with a Penis. They have great title names. We do try and keep this show family-friendly. We are family-friendly PG. We're not going to get crazy like Alex Becker. Alex Becker has to edit his videos because he's got to put some bleeps in there, but it's okay. Sometimes when the market's pumping, you can't help yourself but just, you know, rip a couple of... All right, man. Yeah, we should have taken 25% off that SHIB trade. Too busy yapping. But that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, because look, the entry... I actually got a really decent entry to be able to do a little bit of a scalp. So we got right in here. But it wicked really fast. That's the thing. It's only just going right back into the level that we just bought. So nothing crazy. We just want to make sure that we're not trying to retest into the point of control and going back down into here, because then we'd be seeing our trade possibly getting liquidated. We don't want to get liquidated. That is a no-no. What we can do is when we start getting back up into about 5%, see right now we're at 1%, we could set the stop loss right now at break even to be able to protect the trade completely. That's good. Yeah, it's good to have something that you can let it ride, just build up the moon bag. But I'll tell you, I've just been feeling good about taking profits like hardcore, really trying to be aggressive and taking profits, because I've been stuck too many times looking at profits, and then by the time you're looking at them, someone else is going to take them for you, and then that's when the price usually retraces and you're like, crap. But we are in this kind of super parabolic God candle Bitcoin era right now, where we're just kind of step laddering up, trying to retest, get super bullish. Yeah, Yoga with the Omis. I think you can jump in. I think you can jump in and buy some SHIB. That's classic with crypto. Every time you jump in and you think you're going to get into the next thing, the thing that you just sold goes up 50%, goes up 100%. It's happened to me. I can't tell you how many times. You're like, oh, I'll just swap into this. I'll just swap into that. And then there you go. It ends up... It's like the scene in Office Space where he's in the beginning, he's turning in the lane, and every time the traffic, and every time he goes in, he thinks he's gonna get a little bit more, and he brakes, and he's like, oh, all right, and then he turns, and it just brakes. It's like that's literally crypto. I'm gonna have to make that meme. All right, so the projects that we have on the radar, we got STG. STG is actually doing very well. We got to remember that STG is a staking protocol that can be used on multiple chains, so which means a lot of liquidity can get onto the platform. We're looking at a range going back into 86 cents if we can break bullish. And yep. Yeah, because like people get FOMO, and you think, okay, this coin's pumping, and you're like, it's like people, oh, let's jump in, you sell something that you've been holding that hasn't been doing very well, and you're mad at it. You're like, God, you're like poking at it. You're like, move. And then you get frustrated, and then you move to that coin that was pumping. Then right when you went into that coin that's pumping, that thing starts to stop, and the coin that you were just holding goes up 20%. And that's the lesson. That's like one of the tried and true one of the first lessons you definitely learn in crypto, that's for sure. I don't know why, but I just feel like people, when you get into crypto, you kind of have to get wrecked a couple times to really learn, to really understand the markets, to really understand how the markets work, how these coins fluctuate, how it messes with your emotions, and you learn a lot about yourself. You learn a lot about yourself. Yeah. That's why we're in it. We love crypto. We'll get wrecked. We'll get wrecked a million times, and we'll still be in crypto. We can't help ourselves. We can't help ourselves. It's called being a true degen. It's called being an absolute true degen. Yep, it's like total whack-a-mole. Total whack-a-mole. All right, so I have to figure out how I can give away some memberships I gotta figure out how to do it. I've seen people do it. And I gotta figure out how to do it. All right, guys, should we take some more profits off of our trades to keep, you know, protecting them, be able to DCA a little bit? Or should we just keep letting it ride? Keep letting it ride. What should we do, guys? What should we do? Okay, let's check Pith. The Solana chain link. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, we got a nice 24% move. Could be that if we get across, we have money flow, and this could be on the 4 hour looking like, actually looking like a bear, looking like a bull flag. Like straight up. Actually looks really nice. Yeah. Yeah, this thing could actually, Pith could actually break out. Yeah, 66 cents Pith. Maybe should I, okay, so because I was going to, yeah, because this looks good. This looks good. I mean, am I going crazy? I mean, that's a bull flag if I've ever seen one. That could start breaking out. Yeah, we could see a potential breakout trying to test up back into 81 cents. Yeah, that's a nice little bull flag there. Okay, so let's look at Pith because we have some dry powder on the side. You know, we have dry powder on the side. If we see potential and we see trade opportunities, we'll take it live on the stream because that's looking bullish. Maybe we want to wait until. Maybe we want to wait a little bit until. I mean, we already wicked and caught that low. If we look at the 15-minute, The MACD, we've kind of crossed in the red here though. Yo, what's going on? J Money Crypto. Shout out to J Money Crypto. We're getting all the peeps popping in. What's going on, sir? Yeah, so I would say, yeah, I mean, for just, I would say for trading, like if you're leverage trading, like not financial advice, like I mean, this could go a little lower into the flag range, because this is on the 1 hour. Like you're looking at the 1 hour. If you look at and actually what's interesting is it's oversold. We're in oversold portion right here when we got into this level, and we're pushing up. We just don't have much volume. The volume really is not there. But it does look good. It is a bull flag. Now, would this be something we would want to put in a potential trade? Yeah, let's look at the 5 minute. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, the thing is we could still try and take some of these lows right here and go into the bottom of the band. So it's like you could make a decision to either try and short into these levels and then close reverse long, and then that gets you a better entry catching the lows to get back up into 71 cents. So it could be good. It could be a good entry, but I would, you'd want to, and let's see what, risk to reward ratio going into that range being 1. Yeah, you and everyone else, brother. It's kind of hard not to. It's like the memes are what drive the market sometimes. We got Bitcoin bullishness, and then you just have Pepe just doing numbers. And I've been waiting for that. I've been waiting for the Pepe trade. I've made one good Pepe trade, and that was when it first launched. And that was actually spot buying on Ethereum. I made a $450 or like a $500 profit on an initial like $50 swap into Pepe when it was getting super bullish. But the thing, if you look at Pepe, even on the 45-minute, the trend, we're breaking back up into the trend, even off the retracement of the getting close to the all-time high. So Pepe in the past 3-hour chart, 240% moves. That's just been, Pepe's just been doing great. I'm really proud of Pepe. Good job, Pepe. All right, let's see what people are talking about in the chat because I'm trying to look at the screen. Okay, so we got cat with hat. The other, okay, cat with hat. Yeah, anything with the hat. I don't want to put J Money in timeout. Baba Voss, what's going on? We got 10 likes so far. Getting the likes up. And let's look at the portfolio. Let's look at just the overall markets. Let's look at the overall markets. Let's see what's going on. We got Bitcoin at 61,000. Bitcoin is just going to be sitting and trading a little bit sideways, I think, just for the next couple days, and then we're going to 9,000 coming up. Woo! It's going to be amazing. It's going to be absolutely amazing, guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Things are going to start tearing. I think Dogecoin, I think Shiba is just going to do very, very well. That's J Money Crypto. Cat with Hat, all-time high is 10 cents, which is insane. I'd ever see it going back to those, but don't keep in mind. Yeah, try to read that fast. I got my time set at 20 seconds for these chats coming up. All right, let's see what in the top 100 the past hour. Yeah, Tezos has been doing good. I guess, yeah, with that bullish news with Red Bull, that Red Bull partnership with NASCAR, that's huge. Then we got Jasmy, Celestia, Bonk, Injective, Optimism. Yeah, Optimism and Arbitrum, those are two that I think are going to do really well. When Ethereum starts to really go, yeah, we're going to see Optimism, Arbitrum, all the different layer 2s that are connected with Ethereum. Hope you guys are feeling good. Hope you're feeling blessed. Hope you're feeling green. Hope you're feeling super green. If you're not following me on x.com, go ahead and do so at DanoCrypto904. We have one viewer on X. Shout out to the one viewer on X. Do me a favor and go on the chat in x.com right here. You just got to click on the right side and say, yo. All right, so we just received something. I don't know what we received. I don't know what that was. I saw something. Something just popped up in the chat. Did not see what that was, but it looked cool. Okay. Did this pop up? Yeah. All right, whoever's watching an X, Udi, doing the Ordinal show. Shout out to Udi. Have you guys checked out Volt Inu? It's kind of one of those other like sleeper meme coins that they have a lot going on. They got SparkBot. They have a lot going on. Oh, it was so exciting. Today was super exciting. It was hard for me to focus. Yo, what's going on? Yo, AOIKG, what's going on? What's up? So you're from Crypto Millie. You're from the Crypto Millie crew, correct? Welcome. I love seeing the chats coming in on X. This is what's cool. Like honestly, like I really do dig Restream. I just need to figure it out, and it's cool. I can get the messages from multiple platforms and interact with all the chats. But yeah, shout out to you guys. Yeah, so J Money says I bought some Volt a while ago before it went to version 2 and forgot about it. Yeah, so that's the thing. Like you got to pick the right Volt if you're doing a lot of decentralized exchanging. You have to make sure you got liquidity where it counts. I think the Volt Inu contract for Binance has more liquidity. I love this. I always love jamming on this song. This bass line gets stuck in my head. There's actually a lot of famous drum and bass like songs that kind of have that similar bass line. Pump, pump. This is just what I've been feeling. This is that drum and bass. Like, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna get these markets going. All it takes is us. Hey, the market only pumps if we buy, you know. The market only pumps if we buy. All right, so it looks like we're trying to retest up into some levels with Volt. Kind of going up there. So what were we talking about? What contract has the most liquidity? We got an Ethereum contract. We got the BITFLEX, and that does not have as much volume as you would like it to have, especially on the decentralized dexes. I mean, like for instance, like this volume is garbage. It really is. It's like 80,000 compared to. I mean, like what can I compare this to? Let me just type in another Inu. Let me just type in like Kitty Inu. I'll just type in Kitty Inu, and I bet there's probably more dex volume on something like Kitty Inu. Oh no, I'm lying. I have to pick a different Inu. Hold on, let me pick a different Inu. Oh, let me do Harry Potter. Let me do Harry Potter, Sonic, Obama Inu. There we go. That's a fun Inu. Let's look at the dex volume here. Yeah, dex volume Uniswap is like 5 million. Oh, Pepe, yeah, Pepe, yeah, the Pepe dex volume is pretty crazy. 43 million on the Uniswap version 2. And then they only have the Ethereum contract though for Pepe, so. But yeah, for Volt, it's interesting. Really, you want to, but the thing is you pick the exchange, like, so say centralized exchanges, LBANK, MEXC, if you can put it on MEXC. So if we go and say, I want to deposit some Volt Inu in my wallet, man, it's been nice looking at my wallet. My wallet positioned in the markets. How are you guys feeling? Are you feeling good? You feeling good being positioned in the markets? I know I am. Oh, I'd love to see it. Drop your link of your rare NFT in the chat, LMP, so then I can spy on all your other NFT purchases. All right, so let's see if we want to deposit. Let's see if we can deposit Volt Inu version 3. Okay, and we can do, let's see what networks. Okay, so it's only just the Ethereum network. So essentially, that's where you could run into the problems. It's like, okay, like if this coin pumps, like, and you have it on Polygon, like, how are you going to sell it when everyone else is trying to sell it? Like, you're not going to be able to have the liquidity to do it. So you're sometimes better off just holding it and buying it on the exchanges. But then even then, the exchange volume, depending on what exchange you're using, it's not that high. So maybe Qcoin, you know, Qcoin was a big listing for Volt Inu. And then you have, you know, familiar ones like, you know, this MEXC and LBANK are very low. So you got to look for the coins that have the high trading volume. I mean, that's what you want. That's what you want. So like, we go to, like, let's just go to gaming. Yeah, drop it in the Discord, LMP. Drop it in the Discord. And guys, if you want to share your NFTs, like your favorite NFT projects, some, you know, stuff that you've bought, or maybe yeah, you just drop it in. I'll drop it in the like an NFT section. I'll make an NFT section in the Discord, or just drop it in the general chat. But yeah, so like for instance, like the gaming coins, like let's look at the trading volume on the gaming coins. Like look, Floki. So this is the thing. We can't forget about Floki. Past 7 days, 71%. Floki Been doing amazing. Can't forget about old Floki. Yeah, thank you very much, LMP. Shout out to LMP. Shout out to all the people that have been tuning into the live stream, kind of popping in and out. If you have been in the whole time, shout out to you guys. And if you are just joining, my name is Daniel Curtis Hughes. Welcome to Daniel Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. We got 11 people in the live stream, and we're just hanging. We're just grifting. We're just talking about meme coins. We're talking about altcoins. We're talking about things that are going to make us money in this bull market, in this bull run. And we're going to have some fun, guys. We are going to all make it. Wag me. We are all going to make it. We're all going to jump like the frog on the lily pad. Let's go, guys. Hope you're doing well. Shout out to, if you are a new viewer, let yourself be known so I can give you a shout out. Please let yourself be known if you are a new viewer and you have not had your own personal shout out. All right, so we're looking at Pith. Okay, so look, so Pith, I think Pith actually did take the low. It didn't take the low. It actually had a reversal. So we're looking like Pith had a reversal. So we actually could be breaking up. We could be breaking bullish on Pith. Did we miss a good entry on Pith, or should we still get into the Pith trade? Oh man, yeah, we might put a little Pith. We might check out some Pith. Baba Voss is new. What's going on, Baba Voss? But I remember you. You came in, you popped in I think it was one morning. I think it was just you, Baba Voss, and you were like, it's just me, bro. Yeah, I think, yeah, I might actually get into this right now. It's looking bullish. It's so crazy, guys. I don't know what happened, but I'll tell you what I did. I ended up accidentally switching my margin on my BTC trade from isolated to cross. Okay, once you do that, you cannot change it back. So just so you know, if you've ever done that before, you cannot change it back. It will not let you. So what cross does is, if this thing ever gets liquidated, or if it ever tries to do something, it's going to pull USDT from any other of the trades, and it's going to try and cover it. If it's isolated, it's fully isolated in its own trade. So that's what that means. Just so you guys know. All right, it looks like we could be pushing up probably to the point of control here. This value area node here, this value area high, up 68 cents on Pith. We might actually just put in the trade right now. We're gonna do it. We're gonna put in 50 bucks. We're gonna put in 50 bucks. We're gonna do, what I like doing is really, I go in and literally copy and paste the price, that exactly what I want. And we'll set a stop loss at 1%, and we're going in. We'll see if that triggers, and we'll see how this goes. We're live trading. We are live trading on the channel, guys. I think this is what you guys like to see. You like to see live trades going in. You like to see people getting wrecked live. No, just kidding. You want to see people making money. All right, so let's hope we get that long triggered. A lot of the times, if you really just see it breaking bullish and you really just want to get in, you sometimes just have to market it and try, and you can also grab the position and move it along and move it up and try and reposition it into an area. You can do that as well. Go Pith, go. Go Pith, go. All right, so what leverage did I even put that at? 20. Oh, I didn't even set the I just blindly went into this trade and didn't even set the leverage. It's at, okay, so I guess it's at 20x. I guess that's the leverage that we're gonna set it at. We're gonna not be too degen-y. We've been going a little lower leverage. We've been going 10x with a lot of the altcoins. I think the only one that I went a little bit higher was I did Doge was at 50x, and then everything else like Shib, Pepe was at 10x, and we'll see how this Pith, yeah, because Pith I think should actually be seeing a little bit of it. Might see a cross on the MACD here. I might push this up a little bit. We'll just go ahead and try and oh, our order actually would have been cleared. we keep moving it around too much. We need to just leave it alone, and it probably will end up getting triggered. All right, let's see. Shout out to you guys watching this live. Oh man, see, it is breaking out a little bit. All right, we just need to get into the trade. All right. Okay, we're in. All right, clear. Clear. We're clear. Is it gonna hit our stop loss already? See, if we would have just leave it alone. But yeah, we could be breaking up. Yeah, we could be breaking bullish on Pith and hit that value area high. We are already 1.5% in profit, guys. We're trying to use our profits well and trying to be a profitable trader, setting stop losses. What? Oh my gosh, setting a stop loss. Let's go. I mean, don't follow me. I mean, if you want to, you can, but it's not financial advice. But you know, it's trade at your own risk. But right now we're 5% in profit. We're 6% in profit. And if you're following in the Discord, if you're following me right now, if you're following on the live, you would be in profit. You might have more money than me. You might have $1,000 on the side that you could chuck into Pith, and then you'd be 8% up on your $1,000. So it's all relative. It's all relative, guys. So all relative. But yeah, we're doing well, guys. We're doing well. We're just feeling it. I think, you know, when the bull, you have to be a bull in the bull market. You can't be a freaking bear like Capo in a bull market. You can't be a bear in a bull. So, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I think we could be breaking up. We could be breaking up. The MACD looks good. That's the thing. Like, the MACD is actually looking good. We crossed on the MACD. We're about to cross on the MACD right here. And we could be seeing some movements up. Let's look at Pith on TradingView on OKX. And let's look at the hourly. And we could be actually, yeah, I'm liking this because it's flaggy. Look at this, guys. All right, so we could be pushing to it's a narrative. He wants to follow a narrative because then he wants to be, the thing is that then if by chance it does do a mega dump, then everyone is going to say Capo was right, and then that gives him more credibility and more followers. So that's why. So it's like cool to just like state the obvious. If it's like if there's going to be a major dump, okay, cool. Like then you're still not the only person that thinks that's going to happen. It's not off the table, but I think to be a complete bear and also have that many people following you and possibly using your information as their trading strategy, it's like you're wrecking people. You know, I give people the bear and bull scenario, and I go with the markets, and I go with the trend. The trend's your friend. And BTC has been in a mega uptrend for a while, for a long time. I mean, we've way broken out of the dang trend. I mean, Here's the Bitcoin halving. We're literally going to hit all-time highs before the halving. I said it. I called it on the channel. I would love to find the clip where I called and I said it, I think, on the Moon channel, on the Moon show, where I said BTC is going to all-time highs before the halving, and they were like, oh, okay, it's a little high. And I was like, yeah, it's going all-time highs before the Bitcoin halving. It's done. And I mean, look at this. We're about to do it. We're about to do it, guys. Which is crazy. The supply is shrinking. There's not enough Bitcoin to go around, guys. There's not enough Bitcoin to go around. Do you understand this? This is the thing, guys. I don't think the normal people don't understand that there's not enough Bitcoin to go around. And there's got to be more likes to go around, because we got 11 viewers and we got 9 likes. If you've been grifting, you haven't hit the like button, you got to smash, absolutely destroy the like button, because we've been doing this live stream for about, I don't know, about an hour or so, about a little over an hour, and we got to get the likes up. We've been making some money. We've been live trading, and we might be making some money. Oh, okay. So we retraced already. All right. So, but that's okay. That's okay. We have a stop loss set. We got a stop loss set. We might trigger it, but we might, yeah, don't sell the BTC. Okay. So we just wicked. Okay. We just wicked right up into this moving average. I think we're going to wick up a little bit more though. We're going to see what happens. Let's see what's happening with all the other coins. Let's see what's happening with all these other trades. Okay, nice. Shib's seeing that recovery again. We're back in profit, 23% on Shib. It's looking really good. Yeah, Shib's about to, I'm telling you guys, Shib is about to blast. Shib is about to explode. Shib is about to surprise us all. Yeah, we could be seeing some massive moves with Shib. Oh, okay, all right. So so our stop loss got hit with Pith. We could have taken a 10%. Could have taken a 10%. Let's go back and see what happened with Pith. Are we gonna get bullish reversal? Are we having a bear div? Could we still be trying to take these lows here? We could be trying to take the lows, yeah. Yep, Pith could be trying to take the lows. This is what would be interesting, is to actually try and actually take the lows with a short on Pith, reverse it. We can actually watch it and reverse it right into this level. We are on the 1 minute chart. This would be a risky short scalp trade to ride it into these lows. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see if that will play out. All right, we're gonna open the short. All right, we open the short. We're gonna hide other pairs so we can keep focused. Oh, okay. So we probably need to set our stop loss a little more than a little bit than 1%, because I feel like It's moving a little. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we still might be trying to take the lows. Yeah, I'll check out Cubic. Yeah, it's looking like we want to take the lows here. No, yeah, it's like it's stopping, but it really looked like it was about to wanting to take those lows, take that low right here at 65 cents. All right, but let's check Cubic. So where's Cubic? Cubic. Cubic. Is it this? This coin right here? Let's see. It's traded on Safe Trade. I don't know if this is what you're referencing to. All right, let's look. I want to keep up with Pith. Didn't really have Pith on the radar. But the fact that it is like what we were seeing, that it's in a bull flag, that it would be good to just do low leverage and just have a nice position built in some Pith. And then if we can just go into DeFi Llama, maybe see if we're getting some traction on Pith in Solana. Or am I thinking? I'm thinking something different. I might be thinking. Nope, it's on Solana, but let's see. See, the Orca volume on Pith is great. 3 million. Awesome. All right, so Cubic. Yeah, it looks like a bullish chart's been doing well. Woo. Did not mean to do that. Not trading on many things. Safe trade. Yeah, don't know much about Cubic. Don't know much about Cubic. Yeah, we're trying to get in. We're trying to get in. It is looking good. We're at the bottom of the RSI. If we were wanting to take these lows, we would have retraced a little bit. Ah, okay. With Caspa, gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I'll keep it on the radar. All right. Are we wanting to keep trying to get into this pith trade? We might just chill. I mean, we've actually, you know, we've done really well. We've done really well today. And so sometimes you got to know when to stop. But yeah, we've been in nice profit today. It's funny. I've been looking at these baby Trump, MAGA, and pig coin. Just ridiculous stuff. And then Shido. This is what I've been really looking at is Shido. I've been just kind of dollar cost averaging, building a bag of Shido. This is what I've been looking at. Shido's been kind of doing a similar thing where it wants to, it's looking like a bull flag as well. Got a really, really nice pattern going here. Bull flag. We just love bull flags on this channel. Nice. Well, yeah, I see. If I just wouldn't have set a stop loss, break my rule, then you just be a little bit more DJ and then you can see where it goes. We were just 15%. What's going on? We got people popping in. We got shout out to Sam Alk. We got people popping in left and right. Right now, we're just looking at Shido and realizing that it is in a bull flag. And if you don't have Shido on the list, definitely want to keep that on the radar. It's looking good. It's looking good. All right. Guys, I'm getting parched. I did not bring enough water in here into the DGen garage. All right, so shout out to everyone who's been hanging out in the Discord. If you guys want to chat amongst yourselves, please do so in the Hangout and Chat section. If you have some trade screenshots you'd like to share with the community, you can do so by posting them in the best trade screenshots. We have 10 likes so far. We still got 11 concurrent viewers. Thank you guys so much for sticking with the live stream. We've just been hanging out, talking about crypto, showing the trades. All right, looks like Pith actually might be breaking bullish. We might be breaking bullish. We might still go into a Pith long. Pith long. I don't know why that sounds so funny. Pith long. We might go into a Pith long. All right, let's do it. The order is completed. Why not? Why not go into the Pith long? We're not going to set a stop loss on this one because the market might actually be breaking up bullish again tomorrow. Discord link is empty. Let's see. The Discord link is empty. Oh, you meaning like the one that's on the actual page, like my actual YouTube page? It's not working anymore? Let's check it. Let's check it. Oh, okay. I might have to update it. Yeah, let me see. Let me check it. Yeah, sometimes that link has that expiration. I thought I set this particular one to not expire. No. If you go to the channel here, if you go to right on the channel page, Dano Crypto, and click on that link, you should be able to join. Oh yeah, you totally come hang out. As long as you're not a scammer and you don't post a bunch of scammy links in the Discord, then you're more than welcome to come in and hang out. Yeah, but if you want to, the Discord link should work. Go to the channel, and if you see here, there's other links. I got my main website. I got my Twitter link. If you want to check out my music, if you want to check out BITFLEX, if you want to check out all my other links, they are in the description. And yeah, and this is where you guys are currently hanging out right now. You're right here. I'll be the 12th like. And if you're interested in using Nakamoto Games, testing out Nakamoto Games, use this referral code when you're testing it out, because then that directly supports the channel. And if you have not done your crypto taxes, use this link. Use that link. You have to copy and paste it to do your crypto taxes. That using Coin Ledger. Woo! Oh, so this is which link? Okay, so I guess it's still not working. All right. Well, let's do this. Let's fix it. Let's fix it right now. We're gonna fix this Discord link. We will fix the Discord link right now. Let's go. Actually, what I'll do is I'll post the Discord link in the chat. All right, let me edit this. No limit, never expires, never generate a new link. Copy. All right, I'm posting this in the chat. This is the updated Discord link. That should work. Let me know if that works, guys. So you can see right here, we have the updated Discord link. You can go ahead and join. We got 7 people online right now. We got 25 members. We got 1,527 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and being on this journey with me. We are going to be crypto millionaires, and we are going to ride to Valhalla together. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, all right. Everyone else is long. How many other people? Shout out to anyone else who just went long on Pith and are being degens like we are currently. We'll see what happens. And then we're just gonna leave. We got a little bit more dry powder on the side here that we are going to probably just do. We'll probably just leave it in there. We DCA'd. All right, the one on the channel page works too? Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought that worked as well. But yeah, just in case, there is another link as well that works in the chat if you want to click and go into the chat. And you can let yourself be known. Okay, I see you, Baba Voss. There you go. What's going on? I have to learn how to use Discord. I gotta update my Discord and make it more appealing and more fun. I want to make it a cool hangout spot. It's called the Dano Crypto Dojo, so it's where we're gonna all train. It's where we're gonna all train together to get massive gains in this market. As you can see, we're pretty bullish right now. We're pretty bullish on the market right now, guys. We're pretty bullish. We're super green. Super green. We're super green. All right, yeah, everyone, good luck on your Pith trade. Everyone, good luck. Shout out to the Dano Crypto Dojo, the Dano Dojo community for being awesome. What did I buy? Well, I didn't get to buy any with my tax return. I had to buy other crap with my tax return, so I didn't get to buy anything. It sucks. But I will say, what did I buy with my profits? I bought some Chainlink. I bought some Nakamoto Games. I bought some Polygon. I bought some XYO. Yeah, I literally had to spend $9,000 on a septic tank. So instead of buying more crypto, I had to buy a septic tank. So there you go. Literally money down the shitter. Literally. Put some poop emojis in the chat. Put some poop emojis in the chat, because $9,000 just went to a septic instead of crypto. That is what has happened, guys. That is the sad, sad story that has happened. 9K. 9K down the toilet. It's rough. It's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. But even with that, I still am grateful that I'm positioned in the markets, and I've still been able to DCA into some crypto. And that's just, it is what it is, you know, and that's why I think when I become a millionaire, and that's not if, it's when I become a millionaire, and when we become millionaires, we'll look back at those times when we had to spend our money on things like that and go, oh, you remember when we had to do that? You remember when it was, you know, man, those times were rough. Yeah. Yep. It gets real quick. Oh, oh man. Freaking HOA bill. Oh, those freaking HOAs. Those damn HOAs. All right, shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for being in the live stream. Smash up the likes. Yeah, insane. It's too much money. It's too much money. And I really did good. I got a decent tax return, and it was, you know, shout out to the IRS. Shout out to Gary Gensler. In honor of Gary not wrecking the market and keeping his mouth shut all during this time, let's play a fun track. Let's play a fun track. This will be fun. Go to the videos. We gotta find it. It's the Hucksters. It's the Huckster song. Where is it at? It's great. All right, we're gonna end it on this, guys. I hope you guys have a good night. I hope you guys are blessed. God bless you all.
Fraudsters.
All right.
Scam artists. Ponzi schemes. Hucksters. Fraudsters. Scam. Hucksters. Fraudsters. Scam artists. Ponzi schemes. Hucksters. Fraudsters. Scam artists. Ponzi schemes. Hucksters. Fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes. Hucksters, 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 scam artists, Ponzi schemes, hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi